Today we are gonna be cleaning up my Mega Miniverse. I did not show you this yet. It's empty. Oops. It's empty right now. Got a bit of stuff, but I kind of want to. Make it more like good. So I'm gonna empty everything out. So let's go. Okay. And then there's just cake here. Okay. There. Next, let's go get all my Miniverse. So should I buy the kitchen? And there's Miniverse in here. But I don't want to place it. I just want to see. This is my kitchen, and I'm going to show you something in the kitchen. Okay. First, we'll get this bin first. This bin also. This bin also. Because this can empty out all of my mini stuff. Should I get something? Okay, I'm finished. Okay, but I have so much Miniverse. Fruits. And I'm going to get the gummy bears. This is not Miniverse, but this is what it is in my kitchen. And an empty box. Next, what I have in my my kitchen. Oopsies. In my kitchen, I have macaronis and crackers, and then cookies, pom and then I also have a chopping board. I have a camera, but that's not. I have a kennel. I have some bowls. I have all of these materials and a potato masher. I have forks, spoons, knives, and straws. I have mats. This one. This one. This one. Oh, this one's a big one. This one. The Hello Kitty one. And this blue one. It says Snack Co on it. Next, what I have is Doritos inside a jar. I have taco shells, and I also have a potato. Next, in here, I have raspberries that are purple. strawberries and blueberries. And I also have mango and strawberry, avocado, kiwi, and tarts. Oopsies. Next, I have dish soap, a homemade plant, some oven mitts. Next, I have what in my fridge is yogurt, bananas and kiwis, and I also got mango ice cream and raspberry ice cream. For these little containers, I'm going to show you what's in them. Okay, first, in this container, I have dishware set, and I have a cat one also, and a bear one. Next, I have a drying rack, and then I just have like wrappers in there. Okay, next container. I have oranges, bananas, ice, a pack of lettuce, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, mini bananas, big strawberries, and blueberry. Next container, I have berry rings. I have multigrain cereal. I have chocolate nana rings. I got toast, pasta, carrots, and peas. Okay, and what else I have in my kitchen is dishware set. So I'm gonna get the dishes. Okay, first what I have is maple syrup, formula, purses, and headphones. Next drawer, have water bottles. I have square plates. I have 3 large ones and 2 small ones. pom-pom and like tray or cookie, and a dipping dipping plate, and then a green normal plate. I have 2 bowls. Like, I think these are like called fruit cups. Plates. I got a small cup and a large cup. And then I also have another cup. And then I have 2 tall cups. And I just have like, down here I have macaroons. No, I mean cinnamon rolls. These are called donuts. And then this one is like a long toast. And that's what I have. I hope you enjoy. Bye. Oh.